So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 14.5.1 update, download and install problem. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad user reported to iOS 14.5.1 update when update on my iPhone that time temporary remove app to install software update pop-up show on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, iOS 14.5.1 update available on iPhone 7 and also on other models, but still when iOS 14.5.1 update on iPhone, that time this type pop-up show on iPhone as well as iPad, like temporary remove app to install software update. So guys, this type pop-up show on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, how to fix this issue on iPhone as well as iPad? So guys, in this video I will try to fix that issue. So guys, first solution is check your iPhone storage. So guys, first of all open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also iPhone storage. So guys, please tap on the iPhone storage, then you can see also many apps already installed on iPhone as well as iPad, but still unused apps, down documents, videos and also photos deletes on the iPhone as well as iPad and MP iPhone storage, and easy to fix your problems. The solution second is most important. The solution is turn on and off iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to fix your problem. So guys, first of all open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also last option is shutdown. In shutdown you can see also slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, I hope these solutions work for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.